Okay, guys, welcome again. So in this in this section, we're going to be talking about how you can install WordPress automatically on your domain part on your hosting account. So follow me while I do this. So go to your cPanel. When you log into your cPanel, you will see. So go down to software, right here, WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click on it, and then let's okay, you see this install WordPress management, no WordPress installation found, then install in a copy. After installing a copy, all you need, so choose the directory you want to install the WordPress on. So I will install it on afestry.com. So I will just leave the directory like that, and then the version of that I'm installing for the WordPress is version 6. So I'll install for version 6 because that's the latest. All right, so I will just say my blog. Let's say my blog, my WordPress blog. I will leave this. Okay, I will leave this. Okay, now admin account. This is very important. So in this admin account, you can select your admin account. Let's take testing. So we put testing as our admin username, and then we select password, this password, and then we select admin at. We just select. I'll just put my email for testing purpose. You can put your admin email here, info at your domain name.com. That's your professional email address you need to put. So I will choose English as my language. Select plugin. I may not need to install any of this plugin. If I may select everything if I want. But for this section, it's not really important. It's optional. You can add the plugin later when you finish your installation. So advanced option is where you set your database. Right? So what's our database name? Let's set our database name to be FX Trade. Right? This table prefix, let's set it to WP table prefix trade. Right? Okay, so auto upgrade WordPress. Okay, you can select this to auto upgrade your WordPress. Upgrade to minor version. Okay, backup location, put it at default, automatic backup. You can set it once a week. You can set it once a month. You can set it to don't backup, but I always advise you to try and back up your account, your website once a week. You understand, or every day, once a day. So depending on your choice, select. So select a theme to install. You can select 2022, right? So let's install 2022, or let's install this. Okay, let's install this. Selecting the theme. Yes. So I'm selecting this theme. So I will just email instruction to, put my, as usual. Uh, Remember, you're going to be inputting email that is associated to the domain you are creating this website for now. So click on install. So installation in progress. So checking the submitted data. So it's automatically, this automatic installation of WordPress will take care of everything. We automatically create the database for you. We automatically create the user account for you, to automatically install the themes for you, and then to automatically finish everything up for you. Then the next thing will just be boom, go to your account, log in, and then start seeing your website. So let's wait for it while it's finished loading. All right, so congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So you can click on this URL to view your website. You see, initially we are having this on our domain because we don't have anything. And now, using Sotaculous, you have created a website, full website in just 5 minutes. Now let's go to the admin where we can manage this. Open new page. Now this is done. You see, now we are now in our admin page where we can manage everything about this website. You see, wow, this is really cool. This is cool. Now your website is, all you need to do is just go to your admin page, edit contact at the main, set your address, input your details, change the name to your own, and then you see environmental agency, who we have, recent news, and a lot of stuff like that. You can go to your blog, so you can use this. You can follow my step to create your own blog, and then you have all your blog posts right here. You see. So now let's go to the login. Remember the details we created for admin login. First thing, for the username, and then go for this, the password, and then login. So to take you to your dashboard. All right, so now you see welcome to WordPress. So now this is your dashboard where you can manage everything about your website. Now then, in our next class, I will show you how to work with WordPress.